Do you have a favorite Yiddish word, phrase, or expression?
I don't really think of it as a favorite, but I guess the Yiddish expressions that come to mind are the ones that describe, or that we use to describe verbally and sexually transgressive things, but particularly verbally. So nivl-pe is probably the word that I like best, and it means, it's from Lashon Kodesh, and it means kind of concretely like the defiling of a tongue or the defiling of your mouth, and it comes from the Talmud, and it is the way that you rant and rail against what you think is socially inappropriate in Yiddish, and it's something that I end up writing about and find myself interested in, and there's just something about the sounds of the word nibl-pe that I really enjoy.